I just deleted the most viewed video on my channel which had got over 1.2 million views. Hey everyone, this is going to be a short update video and I'm going to tell you why I did such a stupid idiotic thing of deleting away my most viewed video of all time. And no, neither did I do this by mistake, nor did someone else prank me by doing it. I did it myself very intentionally while I was awake and sober. And I really believe that I did the absolutely correct thing. To understand this properly, you need to know some of my backstory. This very channel I started on March 2018, so that's 3 years ago. And from the beginning, I didn't make these types of make money online and side hustles video. When starting out, all I wanted to do was earn money from YouTube by hook or crook or whatever it took. So without thinking much, I randomly selected a niche out of nowhere. I chose the niche of technology and mobile applications to make videos on. And I randomly selected this niche out of nowhere without even thinking once that I have zero interest or knowledge about technology. So it went like that. I started creating and posting videos on technology even though I hadn't come up with a single idea on my own. All of my ideas were taken from Google somehow or the other. Yeah, like everything, I basically used other videos and blogs to get my ideas. I continued this for quite a few months. Sometimes I was consistent and sometimes I was not, but I continued this whole thing for 1 year. And just when I was going to give up because of lack of interest, this video took off. At around my 10th or 11th month, I was averaging around 50 views per day, which was definitely not a lot. And from the day this video blew up, I started averaging around 1000 views per day to upwards of 10,000 views per day. Now that's massive. It's like a zero to hero story. And this happened in the beginning of 2019. And ever since, credits to that video, this channel averaged around 1000 to 2000 views every single day. But that was only up till like a few days ago. And if you've already understood the obvious reason why I deleted off this video, because it was in the niche of technology. And I don't make those videos anymore. Now I have properly researched my niche and I know side hustles, making money online. This is my interest, so I am making videos on that right now. Knowing this, I had already deleted almost all of my videos on this channel that was somehow related to technology and mobile applications. Except of that one video. I didn't delete that video thinking that since most of my views still come from that one video, that video might do the task of bringing in an inflow of subscribers to my channel. But I did a huge mistake over here which I don't want you to do. When you're building a following on social media, you don't want just any followers. You want followers who like your content. You want followers who know you. You want followers who will watch your content again and again. And due to this one mistake, the exact opposite of that happened to me. When I made those technology videos, I never showed my face, which is why my audience never knew who I was. And that's why when I started making videos on make money online, side hustles, and now that I show my face and also I have rebranded my channel, these guys don't know me. They don't recognize who I am and they keep on scrolling on the YouTube feed. And on top of that, out of the 8,000 subscribers that I have right now, more than 7,000 of them had subscribed to me to watch videos on technology. So definitely now that I'm making make money online content, they don't want to see my videos. And that is the deep dark secret of why I have such a terrible engagement in spite of having 8,000 followers and I average around 50 views per video. That's what happens when your subscribers don't want to watch your videos anymore. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So summarizing everything, I deleted the most viewed video on my channel because that was of a different niche. I make money online videos. I don't want technology visitors on my channel. I don't want people subscribing to my channel who are interested in technology and mobile applications. This not only brings a wrong audience to my channel, but also tells the YouTube algorithm that the niche of my channel is technology and mobile applications. And that's a big no. So yeah, I don't want YouTube to recommend my videos to a tech audience. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found any value from this video, please go down and smash the hell out of the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It will mean a lot. And also consider subscribing because every single week I bring out at least one video that has to do with make money online, side hustles and that type of good stuff.